Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. It's Happylicious here. So in today's video, we are talking about Moringa. Moringa leaves are highly nutritious, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help boost immunity, improve energy. It supports healthy skin and hair, and aids in digestion, and also promotes overall well-being. Moringa leaves strengthens hair follicles, reducing hair loss, promotes growth, soothing the scalp and adding shine and softness to the hair due to its rich vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. So this is the day 2 of drying this moringa leaf. I removed it from the stem and I placed it under a shade for over 3 days. And this is the day 5 of it. It's now very dry and crispy, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this into the blender to blend smoothly to powder. So here, when I tried to blend, my blender was giving me issues, so I went off camera to blend it. As you can see, I blended it smooth to powder. I checked it, it was not enough for me. There was still some patches on it, and I decided to blend it again. And I blended it smooth very well. Here it was very well powdered. It was enough for me to use, and I went ahead to transfer it to an airtight container for storage. So here I decided to make some moringa tea for myself. I've been craving moringa tea for a while and I decided to make it. Drinking moringa tea helps boost immunity, it improves digestion, supports weight management, enhances energy levels, it regulates your blood sugar, promotes heart health, and also provides antioxidants that fight inflammations and support healthy skin and hair. So you can decide to use the sweeteners like honey, sugar, whatever, but I like mine sour, so I use lime to drink it.